in the shop. Just using the welder. These are the settings I use for this. Not too bad penetration. Didn't want to blow through the inner tube of the wheel. So I pretty much got the plate centered for the disc. And what I did down here was, I didn't clean it up, I just went in and let it cool down. So what I did was I cut grooves in the bottom of the here with the angle grinder side, because they're on the other side, the same as this side. That ledge right there, that lip, I'm not sure what it is. It's part of the hub, but it must have been when they stamped the two together. Who knows? But so the tube slid over there, and what I did was, let's see if I can find a piece of it. So like this tube would fit over top of this, like that, over here. I think I sawed it off. Oh, okay. So this is one of the flexible muffler or tailpipes. This is trash, but I chopped off this end, and then it goes over top here, so that makes the sleeve for this, because it fits perfectly over that part down there, but I needed something to put in between the two, and this thing worked out perfectly from the auto parts store, and it just had to, so I made it fit about right to here, and then the other part I made sure I had enough to match the other side, because I didn't want it to be sore. So I wanted to be a lip right here. But what it did was it centered this piece in here, and now it's like completely, and it's four spot welds right here. There's one there, one there, and one there. And that was kind of like the midsection of this tube, plus welding it down here. I didn't want to put too much welding on this tube, because I didn't want to, you know, mess up the bearing. So I'm going to take that bearing cover off and put some more grease in there. But now I got the task of cleaning it up. I just wanted to do a quick part on this and see where I'm at. Like, share, and subscribe, please. Just a little update. So there's the top of the bearing, and the top of the disc. There's even, so I had to put a spacer right here on the shaft to just give it just a little bit of room for these to clear the forks. So I'm not done with this. I got to clean it up. I cleaned it up quite a bit. I just need to spray paint it because nobody's really going to be looking inside there. And then I'm going to sand this disc down, you know, go over it with a vibrating sander and get all the, I mean, it's not rough, but it's, you know, just get it crosshatch design going on it. So getting ready to put this on here. I gotta go and take a break. So talk to you later. I want to get a mock-up look at this. Okay, this problem with putting it on the left side, I have to run the cable out like this. Now, I mean, I could loop it around and come back around. I mean, I've seen pretty different brake setups, but I just kind of getting, it's easier for me to get the camera out and run a view on it. And then, oh. Hole. So is it a straight shot to the bolt here, there? Could I get away with a bracket? Let's try from this angle. See how close we are. There's the hole right here where my finger is. Hooking line into the hole. So find it here. This angle. Alright. That's my mock-up. Yes. Something what I want to do. So it looks like this bolt is going to line up with this right here, so it looks like it might be able to